The new EBSCO user interfaces are powerful online reference tools that offer a variety of popular databases from leading information providers. In this tutorial, we look at the features available when reading articles on the new user interfaces. After running a search, you can go directly to the full text of a result from the Access Options menu or click View Details to go to the detailed record. From the detailed record, click to read the full text when available, or click the Download button to save the full text or the metadata of the article to your device. Using the tools in the upper right, you can save or cite the article, add it to a project, or share or download the article. When you select PDF, it is opened in the PDF viewer. Click the headphone icon to have the article read aloud to you. From the PDF viewer, you can adjust the volume and playback speed or download an MP3 file of the article. Click the bookmark icon to save the article to the dashboard. When signed in to your personal EBSCO account, the article is saved beyond the current session. Click the Cite icon to copy a citation for your article in one of a variety of popular formats, including MLA, AMA, and APA. Click the folder icon to add the article to a project in your dashboard. When signed into your personal account, projects enable you to collect and organize the articles and ebooks you find in your search results. For example, if you're working on multiple research projects, create a project for each one to store articles on your different topics. In addition, you could assign each project a due date to help prioritize your work. Click the Share icon to save the article to Google Drive or OneDrive, or generate a direct link to it. Email a link by clicking the Email tab and adding an email address. Click the Print icon to open your device's print function and send the article to a local or network printer. When viewing the online full-text version of an article, navigate it using the table of contents. Translate online full text into one of several languages by clicking the Translate icon and selecting one from the drop-down menu. Text-to-speech includes additional features when viewing the online full text. In addition to adjusting the volume and playback speed, you can also enable automatic scrolling and text highlighting and choose the word and sentence highlight colors. To learn more about the features of the new EBSCO user interfaces, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.